Welcome to Tina's Fabric Corner's another video. আজকের ভিডিওটা is all about Diwali special celebration and তাই প্রথমেই জানিয়ে দিই that happy Diwali in advance, and today's episode will be a special one because we are going to make something for kids. Yes. কারণ আমার যেটা সবসময় মনে হয় যখন আমরা কিডসের স্পেশাল কিছু এথনিক কিনতে যাই বাজারে, সো there are very limited option you can see, just like maybe we are going to buy some kurta pajama or dhoti kurta, dhoti punjabi for kids. তো সেখানে কিছু লিমিটেড দ্যাট ইউ হ্যাভ এ মেরুন কালার ধোতি আর তার সাথে একটা কি দুটো সেটস অফ পাঞ্জাবি পাওয়া যাচ্ছে, which is not customized and not as all the time at what kids prefer. So because I am a mother of two, and believe me, two of my children are very demanding about their clothes. মানে আমি যা পরি as a daughter, আমার মেয়ে সবসময় একটা টার্গেট থাকে, মাম্মাম তোমার মতন কিছু পরবো, just like আমি if I wear some jacket, so she wants to wear some jacket that too ethnic, যে আমাকে মাম্মাম I need a jacket which has flower, and সেটা পাওয়া যায় না. It's not every time. I have searched many places like stores like mall and online, but the way she wants I couldn't find anywhere. The same things happen with my son, and he is much more demanding than my daughter, and or which specifically থাকে I want something which is animal printed, or I want something which is designed but that included wild animals, or that included some birds. So এগুলো পাওয়া যায় না. So while when I started to work for children, যখন আমি আমার ছেলেমেয়ের জন্য ক্লোথ ডিজাইন করতে শুরু করলাম, যখন আমি আমার ছেলেমেয়ের জন্য ফেব্রিক করতে শুরু করলাম, সেগুলো দেখে some of their friends' mother told me, wow, so beautiful, from where you buy all those things? I said, only for Tina's Fabric Corner you can find that. So সেই জায়গা থেকে প্রচুর ডিম্যান্ড এই ধরনের জিনিসের, আমার কাছে প্রচুর এই ধরনের জিনিসের আর্জি আসে that please can you make this for my son, can you make he or she wants this type of thing, please customize and make for our children. চেষ্টা করি কিছু কিছু করে দেওয়ার। তো সেই জায়গাটা থেকে আজকে আমি দিওয়ালি স্পেশাল I will combine everything into a place, lights, colors, rangoli. I will combine everything into a kids special clothing. So let's get start today's video. Now in this video I am also going to show you that how you can transform a ready-made dress into more a beautiful and advanced version of it, So this is a dress of my daughter, and these are very simple, elegant kind of Disney princess dress which has only Minnie Mouse type of dress, which has only two color. One is pink, baby pink, and white. Now for Diwali purpose, if I want to transform the frock, I need more colors. So the pretty much very simple, very easy fabric is going to be this one, but very beautiful at the same time. So I am taking, this is a small container kind of thing, which while I am taking, because the base of this container is just at the equal size of this one, so I am going to make more its color. Now for the color, I will use any random color, whatever I like. That will be the main attraction of the dress. Two color is staple here, baby pink and white. Apart from that, any random color, choose one circle, fill to, and trust me, the dress will look beautiful. So let's start. Now I am going to do this circle with blue. Just keep in mind one thing, that make sure your color will be contrast with each other. If there's one pink or one hot color or soft color, pastel color, the next one should be either vibrant or cold. Hot and cold combination will be there. No cold combination like blue or sky blue will be side by side, or pink or light red will be, scarlet red will be side by side. That's the one rule I will follow. Rest just took any color of your choice and started to paint. How easily you can transfer a simple dress into a designer dress. Actually, telling you very true, I saw this kind of a dress online, so I really liked it very much, and I wanted to book it for my daughter. And it was cost how much? 1200 to 1300. I mean 1200 to 1300 the cost about a dress. But then I thought that why not give a try by myself to create that magic into my home. And here it is in front of you. Within hardly 10 to 12 minutes I have made this beautiful dress. I have transformed this simple, elegant, monotonous Disney princess Minnie Mouse type of dress into a multi-colored designer diva dress, pure cotton diva dress. I hope you like it, but I need to add some more extras. Then I'll show you the final product. Now my product has complete. I have stick some roses. These roses are some spare parts of the kids' hairband, the girls' hairband. You can get it very easily. This is one of the old. I collect this from one of my daughter's old hairband, which she used to torn as usual. So 18 পেজে ছিল. I make a good use out of them. And see, my diva dress, Princess Diva dress has been done. So if you like this, now this particular jacket is my son's jacket. Now as I already told you that my daughter wants some ethnic jacket. I have searched many. I have searched in online and different shop. I couldn't find any jacket with flowers and everything. So this time I am going to make something which she like, which her customized version of her dream jacket, which is a blue jacket along with a pink flower. Now it was a plain blue jacket, main jacket. So I had colored here. These are the silver color. I have made this silver sun, a bright sunshine look, to give a bright sunshine look. If I wanted, I could do it in a bright yellow color or golden color, but I wanted to make it in a simple way, a certain way, because I want this flower to be look highlighted and vibrant. So for this I need some pastel shade color. So I use first I use white, and over white I give a double coat of silver. So you can see that glowingness, a little glowingness is here. So let's get started with more design. So this is my version of Rangoli and mirror work. It's a perfect combinations and perfectly captured the theme of Diwali because deep bottle green and golden color itself a festive moment creates a beautiful festive moment. Over that the mirror work which will reflect the light, and again it's a very experimental work. The entire design, that is the Rangoli pattern, is exclusively done by me. I didn't copy from anywhere, and I did a little experiment here. This is actually beauty of knowing and doing anything by your own self, because while you are doing something for your own or your child, so you can do the experiment which is unconventional, which is not common. So definitely you will not get some design like that in store, in any online Punjabi shop. So that I can assure, that I can guarantee you, because the first thing that whenever the fabric is coming into your mind, Rangoli style fabric, the Rangoli is made of mainly flower, birds and all those girly things. But since my son is not liking all those things at all, like he like animals but not the flower motif and everything, so I tried to keep it that in mind, and I wanted some geometric pattern, some which is not common, which is very uncommon type of design. So from there I got an idea, why not make that jigsaw puzzle type of square box, and from there the triangle, the diamond shape. And luckily I got some diamond shape mirror as well as some square shape mirror, and while the square shape mirror, I'll just change the alignment of it and make it a little diamond shape, give a diamond shape again, look alike. So this is the perfect combination of festival and Diwali both together. So please let me know how you like today's video. অনেক কিছুই দেখানোর চেষ্টা করেছি আজকে, and I tried something really new for the first time also for my daughter and son, because before this time I never did mirror working for them, at least because they're very kids and their skin are very tender, so it's a dangerous always to have wearing something like mirror work in their clothes, but first time I tried, because they become a little elder and they become mature, so I tried with mirror work. And since it's a Diwali, so that lighting effect of mirror which will reflect through mirror looks give a dazzling effect, and it's a typical Diwali feelings. So hope you liked today's video, and like always, as I said, like, share, subscribe, and please let me know how you liked today's video.
Wishing you all happy Diwali!